Introducing Nintendo Labo, a new line of interactive construction and game experiences designed to inspire children with hearts. Based on Nintendo's 129-year history, which is rooted in innovative entertainment and gaming experiences, Nintendo Labo continues the company's mission of putting smiles on people's faces. Together with the Nintendo Switch system sold separately, Nintendo Labo kits provide the tools and technology to make fun DIY creations, play games with your creations and discover how the magic of Nintendo Switch technology transforms ideas into reality. With each Nintendo Labo kit, children can transform modular cardboard sheets, specially designed to interact with the Nintendo Switch and Joy-Con controllers, in creations called Toy-Con. From a piano to a motorcycle, a robot and more, each Toy-Con comes to life when combined with the Nintendo Switch in different ways. As you build, you'll have fun discovering how technology works, and you could even invent new ways to play with each Toy-Con. For example, you can build a functioning 13-key piano that makes your musical creations come to life once the Nintendo Switch and the right Joy-Con controller are inserted. As you play, right Joy-Con's IR motion camera detects which keys are pressed and translates them into unique notes that are heard through the console. You can even take control of your own bike by building a set of handlebars that work, with a Joy-Con inserted on each side and the Nintendo Switch console cradled in the middle. Just press the power button, turn the right lever to activate the accelerator and see how your adventure unfolds on the Nintendo Switch screen, while running to new destinations. Nintendo Labo continues our long mission of making people smile by surprising them with new experiences, said Reggie Fils-Aime, President and COO of Nintendo of America. It's an exciting evolution of the Nintendo Switch platform, designed to inspire curiosity, creativity and imagination in people of all ages.